Today we're going to be unboxing a 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro. This is the new one with the light bar, and without any delay, let's get into this thing. So first I'll go ahead and just read the specs here. Alright, looks like this one is a 15.4 inch diagonal Retina LED backlit display with IPS technology. 2880 by 1800 pixels, 2.6 gigahertz quad core Intel i7 processor with 6 megabytes of L3 cache, turbo boost up to 3.5 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of memory that's running at 2133 megahertz. It's LP DDR3 SD RAM. We have a 256 gigabyte PCE based SSD card, a Radeon Pro 450 with 2 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, Intel high definition graphics, the 530 chipset, and 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, which is support for high-speed I/O and video out. We have a headphone jack and stereo speakers, thank God, and a touch bar and touch ID. There's a backlit keyboard with ambient light sensor, 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0, FaceTime HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS, of course. Size and weight, it's a 0.61 by 13.75 by 9.48 inches. Don't know what the fuck y'all need to know that for, but in case you want to use those. It's a space gray model, model A1707. So, let's do this. So in the box we have the USB-C cable, most likely for charging. Instruction booklets. They did not include something to wipe the screen off with in this particular model like they did the iMac I unboxed. See if it bounces. Alright. This is an 87, not 85 watt USB-C power adapter. Interesting. So I guess something else to be ordering for stock. Alright, so there we have it. I want to touch it, but you can't. Alright, so there you go. Nice, sleek, pretty, thin. No optical drive, no any ports but Thunderbolt C. To get around that, you can get one of these. Which, if you're going to do your own migration, you're going to have something similar. If you want to go a step farther and be prepared for anything in the future you may need port-wise, you can get this thing, which has Ethernet, Thunderbolt C powering one, display, HDMI display, DC in, 3 USB ports on the back, 3 ports, and then there's 4 total USB 3 ports. And of course another audio, and then you have your SD card here. So unless you're going to do a network migration with a working computer, you can't do a migration with a non-working computer unless you have one of these to hook up the hard drive to. Alright, that'll do it. Y'all have a good one.